Right, Friday. Today I'm going to eat a banana, throw away some rubbish. I took the bus into town, took out some money, and then a full English breakfast. Oh yeah. And thank you Talvia and Laurie for the PayPal donations that bought me this breakfast. Didcot. Ooh, high vis. What else do I need in Didcot? There's always something in Poundland you want. Oh yes, eBay collection at Argos. By the way, what a nice day. No, I'm still in love with the pregnancy kit model I saw yesterday. Oh, I don't know though. That's a nice little snack. Both of them. I can finish the job on my rear Skylight, but there aren't any other instructions in here, so it could be that I don't need to paint a bitumen primer on first. And it should be a nice day to finish off the flashing for the rear Skylight. Thank you, former owner Tony, for the use of the stepladder. What a week. The moral of the story is, read the instructions, and if it says wear gloves, wear gloves. Oh, I got away with it. That was lucky. Is there more to this episode? No, it's not the end of the episode. I just had chicken chips and curry sauce with Welsh Dave. Oh, and there's previous owner Tony. Hello, my friend Tony. Speech. Speech.
Hello, Tim.
Yeah, you've had a couple of nice dry days up there for it to set in, I hope.
You can now, it's waterproof, you can mess with that inside now, can you?
Yeah, I can...
Anything you haven't got any time, just give me a bell, I might have it, you know what I mean?
Well, the main messing around I want to do inside is sleeping in it without getting soaked. Yeah, so that's the name of the game.
You know what I mean? It's anything you ain't...
Tony's back in the van now. What do you think about the repairs I've done?
I think he's done a fantastic job. I can't even recognise it inside. Yeah, brilliant.
Well, you will when I start putting everything back together.
Yeah.
Except that fake brickwork will be all over that wall, so it'll be like a fake brick wall over there. Oh, look smart, right?
Yeah. I think there's because a lot of people, I think they're even now. There's, if you go to like Smith's, there's books, isn't it, where people, you know, write and do them all up, isn't it? Is that right? You know.
Previous owner Tony doesn't know about the internet.
No, I'm dead.
It's only been around for 25 years, mate.
Well, I mean, we didn't have anything. I mean,
no. Us old schoolers.
Yeah.
We had to spend actually still most of my life, and I'm a lot younger than Tony, probably.
Yeah, but
I had to go to the library to find out stuff.
Yeah, I mean, some people are pretty good at picking things
or
out.
go down the pub and speak to old people.
Yeah,
that's how you'd learn a lot of stuff, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Although, I think I got quite a lot of common sense. I get myself out of it. You know, a lot of brainy.
Well, that's it. You use your initiative so far, but when you get stuck, you need to ask advice, don't you?
I mean, you know, in the old days, you know, you were stuck up the road and you had to, you know, get yourself out of trouble.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah. And I've had builders, I've had friends of builders, and they're going to do something. And they say, no, it can't be done, tone it, because it won't go in there. I said, why not turn it the other way? And they didn't think of that. So they can do it. They can actually do it, but they can't think, you know, yeah, a lot of times like that, you know, there's ways around it.
That's right. Well, I got a YouTube channel, so all these people who've been watching have been giving me advice, and I've listened to it and done what they said, and hopefully I've, you know, I'm over the worst of it now, so I can start putting this back together and enjoy it as you used to.
Yeah, exactly.
When you were touring around in it.
Exactly, mate, exactly.
Yeah, there's still plenty of life. Oh, I still need to start it. Can you give me a jump lead? Have you got time? Or are you walking the dogs?
No, I've walked the dogs.
Ah, have you got time to give me a quick jump lead boost?
Yeah.
Then see if I can start the bloody thing. Jump leads. Dave's moving forward. Tony's moving into position. It's all happening.
Quite good, these ones, because sometimes they can be, you know, really hard to, you know. I go around the other side.
Not seeing much of a voltage change from being linked up, but well, Tony's ready. Glow plugs off. And go. Oh, there she blows. Oh. Welsh Dave is celebrating with me the starting of the mansion with a cup of tea. How very British. Again, previous owner Tony. Right, where was I? Cup of tea with Welsh Dave.
Might be wise investing in a new one then.
New battery for sure, yeah. Absolute music. Right, take the solar panels down and take her for a spin. Nice. And now we set sail. What a productive week off that was. You'll see me in the next episode of Salts with Sandals.